In this video, I'll quickly show you how to program your OWN Universal Remote to your TV or any other device step by step. So, let's get right into it. First, inside the box your remote came in, you should have a small manual that contains a long list of codes. You need this list for method 1. Find the category of the device you want to pair: TV, soundbar, Blu-ray player, cable or satellite box, projector, anything. Then look for your device's brand in that section. If you're pairing an LG TV, go to the TV section and scroll through until you find LG. You'll probably see multiple codes listed for the same brand. Write all of them down, because if the first one doesn't work, you'll need the others. Let's say the first code for LG is 16412. Now take your OWN remote and look at the top row. Tap the button that matches the type of device you're programming. TV for televisions. Stream for devices like Roku or Apple TV. Audio for soundbars. Blu-ray for DVD or Blu-ray players. SAT cable for cable boxes. And other for projectors. Since we're pairing a TV, press the TV button once. Next, find the setup button at the top of the remote. Press and hold it until the TV button lights up and stays lit. Once it's glowing steadily, release the setup button. Now enter the first code from your list using the number pad. For example, 16412. After the last digit, the device light may blink or stay on. Both are normal. If the TV doesn't respond, go back and repeat the steps using the next code on your list. If none of the codes work, or if you don't have the manual at all, use method 2. This one takes longer, but it usually finds the correct code automatically. Start by pressing the device button you want to set up. Again, we'll press TV for this example. Now press and hold the setup button until the device light turns on and stays lit. Release the button once it does. Point the remote directly at your powered-on device. Then start pressing the power button repeatedly. Each time you press it, the remote sends out a new code. Keep pressing it over and over until the device turns off. This part can take a while, so be patient. The moment your TV or device shuts off, press the OK button in the center of the remote. That saves the working code. The device light should turn off, confirming the setup is complete. Now test everything: power, volume, channels, menu. If the device responds, you're all set. If this helped you out, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.